Thank you for listening to today's episode of Medical Device Global Market Access by Pure Global. Today, we're tackling a question many manufacturers have. If a medical device has already secured approval from China's NMPA, what does that mean for registration in Brazil with ANVISA? Can that existing approval expedite the process? The short answer is that currently, having NMPA approval does not grant access to an accelerated or simplified registration pathway in Brazil. While ANVISA has established programs to leverage approvals from other major regulatory bodies, China's NMPA is not on that list as of 2024. Therefore, manufacturers must prepare to navigate the full Brazilian regulatory process. Let's break down what that process entails. Brazil's regulatory framework for medical devices is primarily governed by Resolution RDC 751/2022. The first step is to classify your device according to ANVISA's rules, which categorize devices into 4 risk classes, from Class 1, low risk, to Class 4, high risk. This classification is very similar to the system used in Europe. The device's class determines the registration pathway. Low-risk Class 1 and 2 devices follow a simpler process called notification, which is essentially a notification pathway. Higher-risk Class 3 and 4 devices must undergo a more rigorous review process called registro or registration. Regardless of the pathway, a foreign manufacturer must appoint a Brazilian registration holder, or BRH. This is a local entity legally authorized in Brazil that submits the registration application on your behalf and holds the registration. The BRH is your official point of contact with ANVISA. For high-risk Class 3 and 4 devices, there is a critical prerequisite: obtaining a Brazilian Good Manufacturing Practice, or B-GMP certificate. This involves an audit of the manufacturing facility to ensure compliance with Brazil's quality system regulations, detailed in RDC 665/2022. While participation in the Medical Device Single Audit Program, MDSAP, can help streamline the B-GMP certification process, it is not a replacement, and NMPA approval offers no direct leverage here. In April 2024, Normative Instruction Number 290 established an optimized review pathway for Class 3 and 4 devices that have been authorized by what ANVISA calls an Equivalent Foreign Regulatory Authority, or AREE. This program recognizes approvals from the USA's FDA, Health Canada, Australia's TGA, and Japan's MHLW. As we mentioned, China's NMPA is not currently included in this AREE program. Furthermore, some devices require additional certifications. For example, many electromedical devices need in-metro certification to verify compliance with specific technical and safety standards. Devices with telecommunication functions, like Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, require NATEL certification. These are separate processes from the main ANVISA registration. In summary, while your NMPA approval signifies your device has met a high regulatory standard, it does not currently provide a shortcut for entering the Brazilian market. You must prepare for a full, independent submission to ANVISA, including appointing a BRH, compiling a technical dossier in Portuguese, and securing B-GMP and other necessary certifications based on your device's risk class and technology. If you need help navigating the complexities of ANVISA registration or accessing any other global market, the experts at Pure Global are here to assist. Please check out our website at pureglobal.com. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.